Hello everyone, and welcome to your second HTML tutorial. And in this video I'm going to be showing you the basic structure of HTML and going over what doc types are. So first off, I just want to say that in this tutorial series I'm going to be teaching you XHTML, which is another form of HTML. It's a bit more precise and strict, but it's essentially the same thing. I'm just going to be teaching you a different way of writing HTML. But you should know that right from the start. The only reason I named this tutorial series HTML and not XHTML is because I don't want to confuse people and think that they're entirely separate things when they're really not. They're only slightly varied. So with that being said, let's just dive right into actually writing HTML. Okay, so whenever you create a new HTML document, in order for the browser to understand exactly how you want it to interpret the code, you need to add something at the very top called a Doctype Declaration. And this will let the browser know what form of HTML we're going to be using. And in this case, we're going to be adding the following line of code at the top of our HTML document. And I have a link to this block of code in my description, and you can just copy and paste it, which is what I'm going to do. And now that we have our doc type set up, we can actually begin to write the HTML itself. Okay, so the way you write HTML is using what are known as tags. And tags are essentially ways of sectioning off instructions to our browsers. So if we wanted to tell our browser that we're about to create a new HTML document, we would use HTML tags. And the way you structure tags is you make a less than sign, the name of the tag, and then a greater than sign. Now that's our opening tag. Now we need an ending tag. So we make a less than sign, a forward slash, and then the name of the tag, and then a greater than sign. So opening and ending tag. And anything in between these two is the code itself. That's the instruction. So we're saying, okay, browser, we're about to write something that's in HTML. It's going to start here, it's going to end here, and anything in between is the code itself. So inside our HTML tags, we're going to add two more tags. We're going to add a head tag and a body tag. Now, head tags are essentially everything that the user can't see. They're the behind the scenes stuff that are required for search engines and other things like that. And the body tag is everything that the user does see. That's everything that that the user can interact with and that can display on the screen and everything like that. So let's go ahead and open our head tags and then open our body tags. Okay, so anything in between the head tags is going to be in the head, and anything in between the body tags is going to be in the body. So let's say in the head tags we wanted to add a title. So we'd add title tags. And then let's say the title is My First Web Page. And so let me just format this real quick. And so we're basically saying, okay, we're going to create an HTML document, and inside that HTML document we're going to have a head, and inside that head we're going to have a title, and the title is going to be My First Web Page. And then down here we have the body, which is everything that the user's going to see. So let's say hello world. And then let's save that and let's open it in the browser. And you see here at the very top we see My First Web Page, which is the title that we created. And then in the body we have hello world, which is what we put in the body. So those are essentially the basic structures of an HTML document. And if you're a little confused, trust me, it'll be much easier later on. It'll make a lot more sense as you move forward. So that's it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I'm going to be covering paragraphs and headings. And so thank you for watching, and that's it.